fly like a superhero. He's getting ready. He's buttoning himself up. The kid is on. To the D, to the G. Control tower. Finger on the trigger. Fire! Let's go! What is he? I don't know. Venelia! Come on, it's Mary! That's why I call him Superman! You are right. Let me ask you something. Yes. Do you think that you can do that?